Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I would like to show you the way how to unhide your sheets on Google Sheets document by iOS or iPhone. So as I told you on the previous video, if you work with the Google Sheet, you will be supported with a lot of sheets that you can create. You can create a sheet as much as you can in one document, so you will not gonna separate the data into another documents. You can just stay in one document with a lot of type of the data, but sometimes a lot of data will confuse you, so some people will prefer to hide the rarely used or document or sheets to make to help the works going easier. So whenever we hide it, we need to unhide sometimes to call the data back. So how to unhide the hidden sheets? You just need to go click this four straight lines on the left corner downside here, and after that there will be pop up the all of the sheets on this document. All of the sheets on these documents, and the hidden sheets will have this how to say dimmed color, dark color here. To call them back, you just need to go click it, and those sheet will be automatically appear on your documents again. So that's the way how to unhide the sheets on the documents. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.